Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about Brother MFPL 2700D model printer toner cartridge issue. May some of you know about this. Here I am giving a tutorial for how to overcome this issue. Sometimes you installed a new cartridge on this printer. It shows replace toner cartridge. Everybody thinks it's the issue with the new toner. By using a simple trick we can bypass the issue. Let's check how to do this. Power on the printer and open the front cover. Now press and hold the OK button for 3 seconds. Press asterisk key once and enter 0 button twice. Screen will show accepted and close the front cover. Wait for printer to initiate reset sequence. And wait for complete. It will take only a few seconds. See here the reset sequence completed and now the error is fixed. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video please like, comment and subscribe my channel.